Every piece of paper crumbled as we suffer in this bloodiest fall. Every pulsating ego blistered into moonripe nosebleeds. I nurse these festering wounds and drop rose seeds for growing orchid gardens. Now the paint on your portrait hardens with the face that resorts to jargon. Scribbled like a suicide note, like I'll stop. I show the beauty by profile shot. Freeze, don't fret for the truth. I pray till I heard footsteps on the roof. I swear to God I don't believe in angels. Ask me, atheist, ashy. Where's the wings in this relationship? Passions have passed me, cast another spell. Mortified, melancholy madness to Michelle. Suicide Sarah, alliterate your fate. Worship the absence and demonstrate my faith. I illustrate the gates of hell into my notebook. Her flesh burns up in the furnace. Ashes to ashes, earned to something earnest. I slit my wrist and curse it with an ink pen. Write a revelation, burn a stack of Bibles. Question my faith, get my churlish ass to smile. Find another subtle piece of confidence to muster. Her ministry echoes in this monolithic structure. Cremate the dying Christmas trees. The winter is full of bitter, ashy black blizzards. So when the superstition delivered and it came down the chimney, they found her in the fireplace with me. Ashes to ashes, it's not going out, it's still half dead. How many angels can you fit on a match head counter? Try to start a fire, do it. Turn the volume down and write a song to her movement. I said, it's not going out, it's still half dead. How many angels can you fit on a match head counter? Try to start a fire, do it. Turn the volume down and write a song to her movement.
Oh, word? All right, here we go. We'll go the other way. We don't want to get too serious and poetry fade. Here, we'll do. How much time do I have, Sean?